Hey, what's up everyone? Today, let's quickly jump into the way that you fix Instagram Reels stock processing. Now, if you're facing this issue where none of the Reels that you're trying to view inside of Instagram is playing, today let me show you a couple of fixes that you can try out. Now, the first and the easiest solution for the most part is try to switch between your cellular data and your Wi-Fi. Whichever is currently the fastest working, you can try switching to one of them. The second thing that you can do is just remove the Instagram app from your recent app list. Once you've done that, again, reopen it, and this also should help to fix this issue. If none of these steps work out for you, the third thing that you can try out is try to clear the data and cache on your Instagram app. Tap and hold the app of Instagram and then head over to app info. You can also reach this page through the settings page of your phone. Once you're inside of this setting, tap on the option which says clear data and then tap on clear all data. This will log you out of your Instagram and you'll need to log in back again. Lastly, what you can also try out is try to uninstall the app of Instagram from your phone and then again re-download it. By doing these couple of steps, you should be now able to fix the Instagram Reels stock processing error. If this guide video did help you out, do let us know. That's going to be all for this one. I'll be back soon with more videos just like this.